Studying plants, one of the greatest gifts of it is knowing who you're looking at when you see the green wall of trees and plants around you outside. I have studied plants since I was 18, so while I am still very much a baby in the world of expansive amounts of things to know about plants, I come from an academic background in agricultural science, plant and soil science, and Appalachian ethnobotany. I have written 3 books on herbs and Appalachian folk magic and medicine. I think it's always important to take your own health and food into your own hands, and it's never a bad idea to equip yourself with the tools you need to safely forage and make simple, accessible medicines in the safety of your own home. The medicines we focus on making in the class are all of the classics like teas, decoctions, tinctures, salves, oils, and oxymels, which are delicious sweet honey and vinegar concoctions. We have 3 other fantastic instructors, all from really different backgrounds with very unique and special things to share with you. We focus on things like wild food and fire cookery, indigenous medicine and ethnobotany, as well as salve making, oil infusions, and plant propagation. Our class is for anyone. You don't have to have any previous experience with herbalism or a degree in science to get a lot from our class. We have raw beginners to pretty seasoned herbalists. We are on a beautiful, diverse hardwood forest in the mountains of Appalachia in western North Carolina, and the gorgeous original home of Wild Abundance's campus. There are permaculture plants like gumi and serviceberry, perennial herbs, and vegetable gardens to walk through, as well as hiking throughout the trails. I'd really love to introduce you to so many of our plant friends in this absolutely incredible bioregion.